Final video kind of on patterns, extending the pattern and using charts and understanding charts and patterns. Here we go. All right, extending patterns and charts. So here I have a chart. All right, it says figure number and dots. Okay, in figure 1 there's 18, figure 2 there's 21, figure 3 there's 24, figure 4 there's 27, figure 5 there's 30. And the question is, how many dots are in figure number 7? Okay, so I have to figure out the pattern so that I can extend the pattern to the 7th figure. All right, so let's start here. What's the rule first? Well, we start at 18. Okay. I'm going to write that as an actual pattern rule, sorry. We're going to start at 18. Now it appears to be going up, so we're adding. How many? So I'm going to take a number like 24. I'm going to subtract from the one just before it. 24 take away 21. 4 take away 1 is 3. 0. All right, so we're adding 3. I'm just going to test if that's all. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Okay, so that's it. Simple rule. Start at 18, add 3. All right, now that I know that, I can just extend the pattern by going to the 5th one. 30 plus 3 equals 33. So the 6th figure would have 33. And then it wants to know the 7th figure. So if I extend the chart, I continue from here. 33 plus 3 equals 36. 36. Come back to the question, how many dots are in figure number 7? 36. Now I can answer it. There are 36 dots in figure number 7. Done. Okay, so find the rule, make sure you have the right rule, and then just apply it and to extend that pattern.